Every frame tells a story. Inside a frame, there can be either a painting or a photograph that shows something special. Artists use their paintbrush and palette to mix colors and create beautiful images on a canvas. Some artists prefer sculpture, while others enjoy painting, but both types of art show talent and creativity. Great artists can carve wood or stone to make strong shapes that seem alive. Not every artwork is famous, but some become masterpieces that people remember forever. Inside a gallery, you can find both modern and old pieces of art. Sometimes visitors stand quietly and whisper to each other about what they see. Art is everywhere. It's neither boring nor difficult. It's full of color, feeling, and imagination.